Are you having troubles with your AM/FM radio? Are you perhaps stuck on the AM band, but really long for the frequency modulation band? Well, have I got a product for you? CRC 2-26. It improves electrical properties. It displaces moisture. I messed it up. Never mind. This stuff is actually quite good. You might have remembered in the previous video that I was complaining that the AM/FM was a bit screwy. Well, turns out CRC 226 is amazing. If it's anything like WD-40, which is water displacement formula 40, 2-26 would be 2 isn't water displacement. 2, maybe it's just their second something. 26. So there you go. Maybe it means something. I don't know. Now it says it's good for use around modern plastics, including polycarbonates, ABS, and many more. I'm hoping this is one of the many more, because it's quite old. I don't know how they define modern. This can looks like it fell out of the 80s as well. So just the smallest amount, but listen to this now. Listen to this click. I've actually tested this. Can you hear this? Like there's a slider, and the slider slides back and forth now. So the real question is, has it improved the electrical properties? Well, let's switch the radio on. Ah, yes, AM band.
But we'll have to see what they find out.
You can tell because it sounds like garbage.
There was a dash for the...
And let's flick it.
The stadium has an official capacity...
Which way does it flick?
Oh. Kenny Pierre, Nisihara. Definitely feeling the energy going on there. Lovely track, one of my favorites.
Are you FM?
Just before that,
tell me.
I had MFSB with Mysteries of the World. You're listening to FPR Radio 94.5. My name is Luke Joseph.
94.5
The Steve
FM.
Sold out. Hopefully you've been enjoying.
AM.
From Waz.
FM. AM. FM.
Thank you. Compliments. And plenty of new tunes to enjoy.
Fantastic.
Really appreciate it.
It contamination.
Oh, there's the helicopter.
And Centenary Drive. Local roads within the Sydney Olympic Park will be closed for the game. In Prospects, roadworks on the M4 motorway going in both directions near the Prospects Highway. Waterfall road resurfacing works on McKell Avenue at Lady Wakehurst Drive have stop and slow traffic conditions in place. Dan Murphy's has the lowest prices on your favourite beer. Pick up a 30 block of Victoria Bitter cans, just $51 for My Dan's members. Offer ends today.
Alcohol is junk.
FM.
Listen live on the iHeart. At Homeworld, you'll find...
Oh, this is amazing.
Inspiration.
I can play with this all day now.
Visit homeworld.com.
But I won't, because I've got other things to do. Fantastic. Oh, well, that's a good result. Thank you, CRC 2-26, for fixing the switch. Just sprayed a bit in just where the plastic is, and it did its job. Absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got a modem out and just started, doing modem things. No, I didn't. I had some capacitors to replace in that one. That's for another day. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. McRetro out.